Um, Actually, sobrang laki po ng impact and I think we're all aware of it bilang sobrang successful ng season ng PBB na to and we're grateful to be part of it. It actually changed my life as an actress also. One of the reason why I joined PBB is mas makilala ako ng mga tao as Ashley Ortega kasi bilang matagal na rin po ako sa industriya, lagi lang po nila ako nakikita sa mga teleserye and the roles that I portray. But inside the PBB house, mas nakilala nila ako as Ashley, as how I am as a person. And it changed my life, even though I was the first evictee. So unexpectedly, sobrang daming blessings pong dumating sa buhay ko and I will always be grateful for that. Especially yung mga supporters ko at yung natanggap ko when I got evicted, I thought being the first evictee was like a huge embarrassment. Pero nung paglabas ko sa outside world, it was the other way around. As in, I was loved and supported by a lot of people. And if it weren't for them, feeling ko, it wasn't easy for me to recover right away. But because of their warm welcome and their support, sobrang nagbago yung life ko. And even sa work ko ngayon, I'm so grateful sa mga brands who trusted me right now, sa mga endorsements na nakuha ko. I'm so grateful for them. Yes, lalong-lalo na yung Luxlim, kasi Luxlim was a huge brand inside Kuya's house. As in, meron talaga silang pwesto sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And unexpectedly, when I got evicted, they reached out on me right away. And now, I'm part of the Luxlim family. And I'm so grateful for that. And other than that, marami rin mga lumapit. And may mga projects na rin actually. May teleserye, may movie, may MMFF movie ang gagawin. So, I'm just really grateful. And lahat po ng, hindi ko in-expect lahat na nangyari. Actually, lahat kami, like PBB changed our life and we will always be grateful sa lahat ng mga taong nagmahal at nagsuporta sa amin.